NBL 2024, we're coming for the score. Wicket-keeping thunder, Aasif Sheikh's the name behind the stumps, he's hitting for fame. Hemant Dhami, Kishore Mahato pace they break, swinging and seam and make the batters sing. Lalit Rajbanshi left arm spin so tight, toss it up so watch the wickets bite. Rupesh Singh medium pacey, sharp and keen, all round the flexin a true scene. Neesham, James, fast and furious, a beast, bat and ball he never rests. Mohsin, Mohammad leg spins his delight, all round talent shining bright. Tromp Joshua, power hitting through the air. Lahiru Milantha sends it far and rare. These hitters blasting, they ain't no joke. Janakpur Bolts, ain't no time to poke. We the Bolts, we here to stay, dominating the pitch, come what may. Skills for days, a team so strong, NBL 2024, where we belong. Coach Pooh, mastermind experience deep, tactical genius, secrets he keeps, leading the charge, with vision so clear. Janakpur Bolts, victory's near, so watch us rise, watch us shine. NBL 2024, we're gonna climb. Yeah. The Bolts, we're here to stay, dominating the pitch, come what may. Skills for days, a team so strong, NBL 2024, where we belong. Coach Pooh, mastermind experience deep, tactical genius, secrets he keeps, leading the charge, with vision so clear. Janakpur Bolts, victory's near, so watch us rise, watch us shine. NBL 2024, we're gonna climb.